So this is the final match. You can see now Jagityal versus Karimnagar. Sir,
ఫైనల్ మ్యాచ్ మంచిది
sir, ఇది ఎన్ని minutes, sir?
5-2 innings అన్న టైం చెప్పలే 5 minutes 2 innings 5 minutes 2 innings
So 5 minutes, 2 innings it is. Jagityal is chasing now. You can see it. Dive on first minute itself. That's a clear touch, but the point is not given. Very poor. The player Dhanush is claiming it very strongly. That means it's an out because he knows it. He won't. You can see him flying in the air, back to back dives. They are not giving those points. The officials not thinking it's an out. They are not satisfied with the players. What we say that performance struggle. Excellent dive once again. This time they have to give it because the player showed them the tiger how it jumps. So they have to give it. They have no chance to avoid that. Clear touch. Foul given. Parthu clearing it fast. That's it. Point. No. No. Come on, players. Two points quickly taken with the fouls as well. But this player from Karimnagar playing good. Chance. Yes. That's poor. He had the chance. Easy chance. Come on, players. You can do it. Come on. Yes. Point. That's Partho. Showing the officials the point is confirmed. And the dive flying tiger.
2 minutes
You can see them. They have given 4 dives as of now. That's why we are watching this game closely. The final. Yes, nice. Yes, again he's flying like a tiger. Jump, jump, jump. You have to jump to get the point. That's as simple as that. 3 points taken as of now. There you go. Point, yes, point, yes. Narari it is. There you go, Dhanush leading the team. Come on, why are you missing the making fouls? Point, no point. Come on, players, you can do it. You got 4 points as of now. You have only 2 minutes left in the game, not 2 minutes. Point, yes, Parthu it is. 5 points as of now. Come on, dive. No dive needed. Point is given. 6 points. Dive is there. Yes, dive is there. Point. Excellent point. Jagityal team is on fire. Tigers from Jagityal. 7 points as of now. There you go. Nice dodge. Dive. Yes. Point. No. You can see the aggression, passion of the Coco game. Even the audience are freezed here. Not because of the winter, because of these players' tough gameplay. You know, when tigers jump, you just have to see them how they hunt. You know, the prey, it only escapes. Tigers will jump. He don't need to jump like that. He just have to run. Danush. Point. Part 2. Come on. Yes, point. What an excellent tactic. You can see them. He threw the kitchen sink at it. That's it. Point for Danush, captain. Going fearless. So the first half is completed. They got 10 points as of now. You know the Tigers from Jagityal. They are walking after the tremendous match. Outstanding gameplay. Let's wait and see from Karimnagar's chase. The Tigers from Jagityal team entered. So Tigers from Karimnagar as well. They are ready to hunt them. First three it is Danush and the other player and Parthu. So you can see him. The match is started with the officials call. The target is 11 points. Let's see how many they can achieve. You can see the strength of them, Karimnagar players, and Danush is in the middle. That's a chance but was missed by Karimnagar players. As we see it. They are unstoppable. Excellent. If they make dives like Jagityal team, like Tigers, they can also achieve more points. They are giving the foul, but that's not, I don't think so. It's a foul, but official tells it's false means it's a foul, right? Point. Wow, what excellent point. Dive? No dive. That's very poor. The audience there should have been very careful. Otherwise, they will have some fatal injuries. That's not good for their health. You came here to watch the match, not to get injured by the players. You know they are coming at you. That means you have to be careful, isn't it? Foul happened, cleared in milliseconds. Dive, no dive needed. He is turned. Why you turn? Because of the turn, I think they given it as a foul. So you comment it down. Why did that as a foul? It came out as, isn't it? That's Danush. You should learn from him, and so does Parthu as well. You all seen him, Parthu, in Karimnagar tournament. How accuracy he shown while running the entire game. Yes, the game has got slowed down. So only 3 more minutes left as of now. That means what will happen, they are going to be in the follow on, the Karimnagar players, to score. That's good tactic. Attacked like a tiger. If he had a jump there could have been a chance of a player out. Dodge trying in the gameplay as well. So nice dodge, excellent. So we'll see foul because he's too close to the defender. That's why the foul is given. Nice. 2 more minutes left in this innings. They need more points. They don't get more points. That means they'll be in the follow on now. Nice chance point. Yes. So that's really good. Parthu it is. He will play easily. We can see it in his confidence as he running there. Learn from him how to run in Coco while you are defending. There it is.
4 minutes over.
Oh, that's very dangerous pole touch. Has to be careful while doing it. Long from pole. That's a good pole touch in action. So only seconds left in the innings now. Only 2 points given. That's really good from Jagichal team. The Tigers defending it really good. Nice dodge. Point. No, why? You had the chance. Foul happened. That's it, innings done. So they'll be on the follow on. Let's see what will happen. Because they need more than like 2 points they got now. They need more than 9 or 8 points to avoid the follow on and get into the another innings now. So the officials are starting it now. So they need more than 7 points or 8 points to avoid, so to come again and defend themselves, and need more than that. Otherwise Jagichal team will win this tournament easily. So the final innings, I think, if they don't get points. So are we ready for dives? Can we get more dives? So because Jagichal district only they attacked once, they got more points than 10 above, I think. Just like that, they should dive to get points. They're trying the pole touches. There it is. Foul given.
1 minute over.
Nice point. That's it.
లోపల ఆడుకోరా
Chance, no. They should work hard. That's Narari from Jagichal district. You all know him from Korutla tournament and Karimnagar tournament as well. Still in the game. Nice dodge. He outplayed the attackers. Chance, dive, missed opportunity. Nice.
చాలా బాగా జరుగుతుంది చాలా సీరియస్ గా ఆడుతున్నారు సిఐ గారు వచ్చారు
Hindi.
CSR is coming. JPHS will be starting evening matches.
This is final.
This is final match. This is final match.
Jagityal is winning.
Jagityal is winning.
That's Narahari bro.
That's Narahari bro.
Running like a tiger.
Running like a tiger.
We are students of Velulla.
We are students of Velulla.
We are very good performers.
We are good performance in dance.
Yes. Thank you.
Subscribe Spirit of Friends. Subscribe to Spirit of Manoj. Follow us Insta. YouTube. Subscribe our YouTube.
Learn boxing.
Insta Spirit of Manoj.
Learn boxing. We are lions.
We are Lions. 69
Champions Jagityal district.
Champions Jagityal district.
We are very happy
We are very happy
to witnessing these matches
these matches
in our school.
in our school.
We are proud.
We are proud.
So we won. We won.
We won.
Congratulations Jagityal district
Congratulations Jagityal district
for winning tournament.
for winning tournament.
Thank you.
For watching. Bye bye.
So they,
క్రీడాకారులంతా స్టేజ్ వద్దకు వెళ్ళండి. ఇంత జిల్లా నుంచి వచ్చిన క్రీడాకారులందరూ స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళండి.
you can see them, the champions, the tigers from Jagityal district who won the tournament here. You can see them. Let's go.